talking about AC units. Obviously, very important during the camping season because it's typically hot during the camping season.
Generally.
So, how do I judge if my air conditioner is cooling properly?
Proper cooling on an air conditioner, you should have a 20-degree variance from outside air temperature. So most all air conditioners are designed to cool 20 degrees lower than the ambient air. So if it's 85 outside, you should be able to get 65 inside.
And if you are not getting that, what do you do?
There's several things that you can look at. One is check your filters on your air conditioner. A lot of people don't do that. They need that to run efficiently. It's also a part of the maintenance that you want to do. Clean them, they just wash out and dry, and put your filters back in. Make sure that your condenser and that your coils on your air conditioner are not all covered with leaves, dirt, grass, whatever. Keep those clean. It gives a better circulation.
So you're talking about on the outside, on the top
On the outside
of the unit.
Yes.
Okay. Should my AC be covered then during the winter?
It is a good idea. It keeps it much cleaner and gives you a much more efficient air conditioner.
My AC sometimes freezes over. We hear that a lot. What causes that?
Well, primarily it's high humidity. Okay. Air conditioners will remove water from it. And when it is extremely high humid out, a lot of people will get a freeze up by running their air conditioners and not getting enough circulation through. So if that happens, turn it to fan only, let it cool, and it's going to drip inside, okay? But it's a normal occurrence in very high humidity.
What do you recommend in terms of running the air conditioner at high or low? A lot of people ask that.
We recommend low, okay? High continues to move air, but low gives you better efficiency, actually gives you better cooling, and it spreads it out a little more even. Instead of on a high fan, it's blowing it too far away.
So if you have an owner who wants to be obviously vigilant on their maintenance, is there any other tips that you might recommend air conditioner related?
Primarily keep it clean, and if it isn't cooling, and especially after some time, you could have it checked. Low coolant will create a non-cooling situation, and that would need to be serviced by someone who does service repair.